Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here from SixPackFactory.com and welcome to day 3 of this year's Black Friday giveaway. If you haven't come and joined us yet, you can do so over at SixPackFactory.com/BF 2021. And for today's gift, I'm giving you guys a little manual I created in which I shared 10 practical tips and tricks that helped me during my own body transformation when I lost over 100 pounds. And there's going to be something in here for everybody because there's motivational strategies, diet strategies, workout strategies. So whatever you might be struggling with, or if you're just looking for some tips and tricks to help you get results even faster, there'll be something in here for you to help you out. So if you want to grab this manual today, like I've mentioned, pop over to SixPackFactory.com/BF 2021. So have a great Black Friday. If you are out there buying stuff, good luck. Enjoy the queues. Otherwise, you'll probably do what I'm doing, is just go online and get all my stuff delivered. But have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the final day of our Black Friday giveaway. Until then, bye-bye.